Hello everyone, welcome in another tutorial of Excel, and in this video we are going to discuss about the how to use max and minimum function in the Excel. We will see 2 and 3 methods so that we can do the max and we can find the max and minimum in the Excel. Okay, in the earlier video we discussed about the auto sum. Here you can see that, and we find that how to do the totaling of the column. Okay, means how to use the sum function in the Excel. Then we discuss about the average function. Then also we discuss about the division function in the Excel. And in this video we will discuss about the max and minimum function in the Excel. How to use max and minimum function in the Excel. So I have a student marks data in my Excel, and here there is a name, then subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, and then there is a maximum column and minimum column. Got it? This maximum and minimum value is with respect to the row. If I am talking about the row 23, so the name is A. So there is a student whose name is A and which maximum number is 89. So this is with respect to row. Got it my point? And same here is a minimum, that is with respect to the row. So how to calculate that numbers, we will see that. Okay, so let's see that. First I delete these both the columns G and H, then we will use the maximum and minimum function. Okay, so here I am, and in row 23rd I want to calculate the max and minimum. So what I'll do first, see here there is a group, that is the group of editing, and here is a auto sum. Okay, so in the auto sum I'll click on max. So here you can see that the Excel has already covered my row. Okay, row from C23 to F23. Okay, so when I'll click it, so there is a max. Okay, so here you can also see that this is my max number, so here is the max. Now how I'll find the minimum function and how I'll use the minimum function? Simply go here, click on minimum. So here you can see that it is taking max number also, but we do not want max number. Okay, we want only from subject 1 to subject 4, or we can simply say C23 to F23. So what I'll do, I'll simply edit it G to F, then edit it. So here is 69. So 69 is a minimum number. Same we can do here, auto sum max, then click here, then drag it out till here, then enter. So that is 87. Okay, and now for the minimum, just click here, then minimum. Now you have to click here, then you can do also one thing here, just click here in the formula box, that is C24, then press semicolon, then C4 to here is F24, right? So you have to simply write F24, right? Then enter. So here is 45 is the minimum number. Got it my point in the row. Now you have calculate 2 max number and 2 minimum number in the row. Now what I'll do, I'll simply cover it. Okay, then here you can see the plus sign, just drag it into the last here. Now click. You don't need to use again that function. What you can do, you have to simply select 2 function, then click on that press sign and drag it into the last point till where you want to use that function, right? Same I'll do here. So just select here, then on the here you can see the plus sign, then drag it. So here you can see the minimum number. So I think it was quite easy. Now there is also another method, and that method is that how, just delete it. Now what I am going to do, I'll just press Alt, then H, do with me, then U, then M. So and then enter. So this is the another method by which we can calculate the max, and same we can do with the minimum. How? Just delete it. Now Alt H U, then you have to press I, but in this case you will have to select your range. Now calculate it. So this is the 69. Okay, that's how you can use the max and minimum function in the Excel. So we have covered this entire formula: sum, average, count, max, minimum, division. So if you have any doubt in this video, you can let me in the comments box. That's all for the today's video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.